Don't you want to watch football?
No.
Why not?
I love my American football. Why would I need that?
Because it's fun to watch too. You can have more than one sport you enjoy.
I don't think so.
No.
Sorry.
Why don't you like it?
Because of my allegiance. I'd be a traitor to my football league.
You can like both. I want you to watch the World Cup with me.
Okay, yeah. I mean, everybody's watching the World Cup, so I'll watch the World Cup too.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Thanks.
There are 77 days to go until the World Cup, and we are quickly learning the Dutch are a pretty cool fan base.
Football has devoted fans around the world, and the Dutch are party to that, literally and figuratively. They even shipped a fan-owned double-decker bus all the way to Houston. But while the world is on fire with World Cup fever, the sport has been slow in gaining popularity in the U.S. Sure, it has its fans. I was even on a team in the 1980s. But there, football means an entirely different sport, one that rarely uses its feet for some reason.
Absolutely.
Ship a bus over here so you can hang in your colors. Look out, Houston.
So the question is, can I get this hardcore American football fan to embrace the excitement of football? Or soccer, to him. I'm gonna try.
4,
Sweeper.
7,
Winger.
9.
Striker. I got this. Oh, yeah.
So I'm at Marktweg in Den Haag. You just follow the flag there, and you end up in an orange paradise. Everyone here will wrap their homes in orange, and it'll stay this way all the way through the tournament. Incredible. Don't forget the trees. I would love to see this during the match. I don't think the video conveys just how overwhelmingly orange this is, which is my favorite color, so hey! So it's Saturday, and the Netherlands is playing Sweden tonight, so we're still several hours away. But I just wanted to see how things were going here. I really think this place is going to be awesome tonight. But we've already picked out another spot to go to. I dragged you to a game.
Yeah?
I've been trying to teach you the rules, so are the guys at work, right? Do you feel ready?
Kind of.
You feel ready for this?
I don't, but I am caught up in the spirit here. I'm looking around, and we're in a sea of orange. So I feel like we're kind of with family here. So I'm getting caught up here. I'm getting caught up in enthusiasm. And
What's a striker?
what's a striker? Person who stands outside their workforce with a sign saying, "No, hell no, I won't work."
That is
Is the striker the one that kicks the ball?
well, they can all
Strikes
kick the ball. Yeah,
And we're on the second floor, and we were lucky enough to get these seats.
because there's these old church pews. There's just one row of them,
Yeah,
and then everyone else is standing room only. And
yeah.
the screens there.
And us old folks are lucky to be able to sit.
Well, you work today.
And I work today. I was on my feet all day. So I'm very content sitting where I am. Got a nice big screen TV in front of me. And we're ready.
And a beer.
And I got my beer. So it begins. So, we're going for the guys in orange, right?
Shut up. So it's the halftime.
My hair's all messed up, man. What the fuck?
He's vain. You're so vain.
I bet you my hair.
This video's about you. So,
What's up?
what do you think so far?
Well, I think we're winning. I think that only because the scoreboard says 2-0 Netherlands.
And
Actually, you know what?
liking it.
I'm really kind of enjoying this a lot. I'm learning little bits and pieces.
We're back on. Did we win?
We won! There's something about when the ball goes in the goal that entertains me. And I think I learned a couple things today about the game of football. But this time I'm starting to understand it a little bit. Starting to understand how things are set up.
And this is a game I love. Something that Mark always said, it's too slow, too boring. So he was excited this game. He was into it. I could see the scales falling off his eyes and him getting engaged with it. I think we've got a convert, everybody. No, that was a lot of fun watching it with a group. This is the way to experience it.
It's a celebration here tonight, isn't it?
Because it is a celebration tonight. That's great.